Hello, my name is Michael Auburger. I am the Managing Director of Trade ICOM. We manufacture serial and spare parts for the aerospace and railway industry, as well as for shipbuilding and renewable energy sector. We are also engaged in military projects, interdisciplinary projects, and niche solutions. We produce certified composite parts and components for our customers and have extensive technology and know-how in production and maintenance of CFRP and GFRP lightweight parts.
As a supplier for customers with high quality and technology demands, we believe in sustainability and future orientation thinking. We always try to improve lightweight manufacturing and construction together with our customers from concept design to serial parts.
Of the aviation pilot. We define use cases and requirements from the suppliers as well as from the supply chain managing point of view. We will support the software engineers, test the developed software solutions and validate them regarding the use case specific defined requirements. To be part of the ongoing digitization to improve internal processes and open new creative ways of collaboration in the aerospace supply chain. We expect that the tools to be developed will strengthen our local and transnational business relationships and increase customer satisfaction by simplifying purchasing and selling processes and new ways of raw material ordering. Always thinking about creative, smart and flexible solutions. We offer long-time experience in producing lightweight products in the aerospace and railway sector, as well as supply chain knowledge. Working in the supply chain in both directions, we offer a good understanding and a lot of experiences from both points of view in this kind of processes.